Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to operate offline on your PlayStation account from the PlayStation app from your phone. So at first, just open your phone, and as you open your phone, find your PlayStation app wherever it is stored. And as you find it, just press it to open the PlayStation app. And as you open the PlayStation app, just stay at the home page. And as you are in the home page, just click on your profile picture like this. And as you click it, this page pops up on your screen. And all you have to do is click on the option Online Status. And as you click that, you can see the three options in your screen: Online, Busy, and Operate Offline. So all you have to do is click on Operate Offline and click on Done. And as you do that, you will be operating offline on your PlayStation account. So guys, that's how you operate offline on your PlayStation account from the PlayStation app from your phone. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.